in this video we'll be showing you how to assemble this bar stool, so let's go ahead and get into it. In step 1, we'll be putting together pieces 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you'll want to start by putting piece 5 onto the back of the chair. And we'll use screw A for that. And you just want to make sure to put those in only part way, that way you can fit everything together. And then we'll put piece 6 into the front. We'll also secure those with bolt A. And then we'll take bolt C and we'll secure these pieces in the middle. And just make sure that you put it through on piece 3 and not from piece 4's side. Okay, and once you've ensured all of the screws are at least in part way, you can go ahead and tighten everything completely. And once you have those tightened all the way, you can go ahead and move on to step 2. And then step 2 will just be attaching piece 1. So you can go ahead and line the back up, put the holes on the cushion. We'll be using bolt D to secure this. Once again, just put the bolts in part way until you have them all in, and then you can tighten them completely. All right, once you have all those bolts in, we're good to move on to step 3, where we'll be attaching the bottom cushion. So you're going to take piece 2, and you want to make sure that this curved edge is facing inwards and the flat side is facing out. We'll just go ahead and line up the holes, and then we can go ahead and put in the bolt. Once you have all of those bolts in all the way, then you're done with your chair. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new bar stool. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.